Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change currency on Agoda. I wonder why you want to know how to change currency on Agoda. Maybe because you want to change the currency because you're traveling to another country where the currency is different from your country. Or maybe you're just moving out to another country so you just want to see how many things will worth into that country, or there could be any other reason for you to change the currency on Agoda app. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can change currency on Agoda app. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Agoda app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Agoda app to open it. Once app gets open, it will just take a while to load off its content and then you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. Here you could see icon of the app and few other options almost all over the screen. At the bottom we have 5 different options. Right now we're in the home section. Along with that we have other options as well, as you can see. So along with home, if you tap onto this option, there you will see all the bookings that you have done onto this app, whether it could be any kind of hotels, flights or any other stuff. If you click here, you will see coupons that you could avail, and if you have availed already, you could also see your available coupon. You get here, there you could see different kind of card that you have added into your account, and this is your profile, or you could say settings section, where you could see different options. Every option here is from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. Here we have this option which says currency. Now we will get back to home, and there you could see the current currency here is in USD. So we will see how we can change it. So you can change your currency into any currency of your choice, or maybe from the currencies available on this app. So you just have to simply click here and then you will get here. Once you get here, there you will see a lot of different kind of currencies available. So you can choose any one of these, whatever you like, you can go with that currency, and the products here will be available into that currency. It could be any kind of currency like pound, Canadian dollar, USD, INR, PKR, or whatever you want to go with. You just have to simply tap on it and then you will see the currency will be changed here. Now as currency has been changed, so we will go to home, and there you can see the currency has been changed from USD to Euro. Likewise, you can change any currency of your choice from a currency to currency. It will be all up to you. Whatever you want to go with that, you can choose that option. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change currency on Agoda app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.